Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will simplify the concepts of zero-shot, one-shot, and few shots learning for ChatGPT. So, let's get started. What is zero-shot learning? Imagine an AI that can tackle tasks it's never seen before, without needing specific examples to learn from. This is zero-shot learning. It's like having a universal problem solver at your disposal, thanks to its ability to understand and execute tasks in completely new scenarios. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to write a poem about the tranquility of mountains. In this scenario, the model relies on its extensive pre-training, leveraging the multitude of patterns it has learned to generate a response that fits the prompt. For businesses, this means more adaptable and efficient AI solutions, ready to handle novel challenges with ease. Let's move to the second one. One-shot learning. Imagine teaching an AI to recognize objects or patterns after showing it just one example. That's one-shot learning. It's a groundbreaking approach that drastically reduces the need for vast datasets, making AI more accessible and efficient. As an example, we give ChatGPT one example to guide its response, showing that London is the capital of the UK. Then we ask what is the capital of Japan. For businesses, this means deploying smarter solutions faster, with less data and resources. One-shot learning is not just an advancement, it's a revolution in how we teach machines to understand the world. Third and last one is few-shot learning. Few-shot learning is transforming AI, including ChatGPT, by teaching it to learn from just a handful of examples. This breakthrough enables AI to better understand context, mimic writing styles, and maintain formatting consistency. It's a game changer for businesses, offering a more adaptable and efficient AI tool that can tackle a wide range of tasks with unprecedented accuracy. Few-shot learning is not just about doing more with less. It's about opening new doors to AI's potential in the business world. Embark on an enlightening journey into the world of continuous learning, where every step is a leap towards personal and professional growth. In this era, acquiring new skills and knowledge across various domains isn't just an option. It's a necessity for thriving in the business landscape. This adventure is more than just educational. It's a source of joy and fulfillment, opening doors to endless possibilities. Let's dive into the joy of learning, transforming challenges into opportunities for success. That's all for this one. More to come in next videos.